Hello, and welcome to another episode. Today we'll be looking at sidebars. They function much the same way that navigation bars do, but navigation bars usually reside on the top, like we have here. And what we want to do is we want to put them on the side. So let's get started. Okay, so before I started recording, I added 3 new files to this. Sidebar is just this. It's empty here. And this is just a local X. So the file will load, but it doesn't matter really. Both of them just local X here. So let's get started from where we wanted to do this stuff. Okay, so now what we actually want to do is we want to just put this over here. We're gonna do tutorial UI dot. It's called weapons tab. Okay. I mean, of course we have to define this. Tutorial UI dot weapons tab. So if I saved it right now, yeah, this is displayed over here, but it's invisible because it's nothing. It's default panel which are transparent. So what we're gonna do is we can just move this over here now. So we wanna init this, and while we edit, just write the formula out. Okay, so we do sidebar, and we edit sidebar, and when we dock it to the left, dock left, and let's just set the size while we edit. This doesn't matter for now. Okay, so we will paint it first because we want to actually see it, and because we have this on the left, it will go down here, which is pretty significant because that means we have to round this corner. So we'll be rounded box X with the 6 here. We'll do this, and then we do use tutorial UI theme, the primary true, false. To read more about this on wiki. Did I fucked it up. So here we go. And actually I was false, true, false. That's better. You can see how we have it right here. But I'm not particularly a fan. I mean, this could look okay if it wasn't so white. So let's try and make it a little not as white. Okay. I think this will look good. If you want to make it perfect, this could set restrictions. This is approximately. This could set restrictions of what we could put in, but we will fix that later if need be. So now we have a bar. So we do the same thing as last time. Buttons, panels table, and let's do a panel at tab name panel. So now this is done. Let's just go to this. It's in here actually. So we actually make it here, right? We make more sense. No, I am having a brain fart right now. What we need to do is in here. Okay. This is where the logic of the sidebar is then. Right, my bad. Okay. Tab name panel, and we might as well just actually take. We go into the navbar, put it on here right, go to sidebar, and then let's do a big steal. There we go. And we put this to the top, leave it up. Now it will have the same font in this, but we can change this to be sidebar, the button, and then we forgot to add this sidebar because I might want to make this slightly smaller. We will see how it looks. Now we go into the weapons tab and we add set body, which should be self, and then we will be doing add tab assault rifles. Just leave it empty for now, default. Okay, here we have it. This doesn't look good. It doesn't have proper size. We don't size it really. So what we could do is we go into the sidebar again. This is redundant. Let's close that one. What we want to do is we want to this will make it so it have 24 margins. Yeah, this looks horrible because it's stacked. But what if we were to do? It's not gonna look like this when it's final. It's just yeah. Okay, we need to this. See, now it looks like a side. So what you could do is you could actually do y minus 2 and then have 2 here. Y with w. Yeah, we could do this if you wanted to. It's kind of might look a little weird because of this. So what we could do is we could padding and 8. Right, okay, so I always have 8 from the top. This might also look a little weird, but it's up to you. If you like it like this, I don't like it like this, but this is an example of what you would do it. Yeah. Let's divide us. Also have submachine guns. So I think we might actually run into a problem here. Yeah, we ran into a problem. See how this doesn't fit? Alright. So what we could do is actually demand. Let's invalidate the layout here. This will call the. This will always call the perform layout. You shouldn't call the perform layout directly. You should always do invalid layout. So what we could do is first we start off by setting the font to this. The reason we do this is because we're gonna be measuring the size of each button. We're gonna measure the size of the text, and then we're gonna figure out which one is the longest, and based off that, we will size the sidebar to fit. Okay, so I like to call TW and TH, which stands for text width, text height. Let's just width equals 0, and then we loop through. Set the buttons. Okay, then we do this to measure it. Get text size for that. The V is a button. V is a button because we defined it here. It's the value of the loop, and this is the index. Okay, so, and I like to do this. This means we have 32 pixels margin from the text. This is 16 on each side. So now I do if text width is text width is higher than width, then width equals do this. When at the end of this, we'll just do self set wide view, and then while we add it, we can don't need to remove this, but we can remove this. Okay, so I did miss something here. It's just never getting called. If called, let's see. Does it get called? It get called 3 times. I mean, oh yeah. Okay, so you see his typo. Such as this doesn't exist because of this. It's width. My bad. There you go. Now, I don't like center text. I think that's absolutely horrible here. So what I want to do is I want to go up to the sidebar. I am in that, and then I want to set the content alignment, which is the text, to 4. Alignment 4. Okay. Yes. The reason it's 4 is because I'm on a numpad. based on how your numpad looks. You can see here, this is forward, which means it's center left. This would be center, center. This would be right, middle right, like that. Etc, etc, etc. But we do want some kind of we wanted to go in. So we have this, and now it's based off this. It looks okay, and it does switch between. You just can't see because it's not different, not different things. And we can switch here, and it works fine. So, just to demonstrate what is different, just do deframe, and then this is a custom panel I have. But I'll just use this to demonstrate. It works. We can go away, go back, go away. It's very simple. It's basically the same. We just changed a little to make it better and add it so it fits all sizes. Yeah. You could of course always loop this, which is what I would do. But this is basic UI, how a sidebar would work. So, for the next episode, I'll be working on making this fully finished for the weapons tab. Which means that I'll make categories where you can press on each category, you have weapons, you can choose a weapon, I'll show you how to use 3D models. I'll also show you how to make a search bar for it, so you can search for specific names. And then the episode after that, we'll be working with networking. I know it's not really the UI theme, and if you want to, you could skip that episode. But for this tutorial, we'll be making a weapons shop for this part. And then for this one, we'll just be showing every job. Anyway, if you have any questions or any topic you would like to see covered, please just write a comment and I'll consider it. Anyway, thanks for watching.